Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Wednesday, March 3rd, 2010. This morning I wanted to go through a subject that comes up in a lot of different programming languages, and that's regular expressions. How do you use them in Smalltalk? Well, it turns out that to use regular expressions, you need to load something from the parser library. And that's because regular expressions in Smalltalk are, like everything else, just a library. They're not built in. So to find them, you go here to the Directories tab, and you're going to scroll down till you get to contributed, because like a lot of things, these are a contributed piece. Even though they're used by things like the web toolkit, it's still a contributed piece, so you have to go searching for it a little bit. And if you scroll down, you'll find under the R's, you'll find regex. And then you just right click and load, and it'll bring this in. It comes in pretty quick. Now, to figure out how to use regex, it's a pretty simple matter. If you know regular expressions, we support the standard stuff. So you go down here to the browser, and you go down to the R's. You'll find down here is regex, and if you scroll down to RX parser, go to the class side, you'll find there's a documentation tab, and you'll have syntax and usage, and you can figure out how this stuff works. Just to give you a couple of very, very simple examples, what I'm going to do is open a little page with a couple of examples I pulled straight off of that documentation. So I'm going to go down to regex.ws and just open it up. So you have this regular expression here. This string doesn't match that. If I do this, it should be false according to the docs. And if I do a print it, sure enough, that's false. And likewise, this one should be true according to the docs. So we'll go ahead and highlight that and do a print it. And sure enough, that's true. Now the idea here is not to show you how to use regular expressions. Theoretically, you should already know what those are. And you go in here, and I'm just trying to show you how to load them. Once you've loaded them, you go to RX parser, go to the documentation tab, and that will show you how to start using regular expressions inside of VisualWorks, or for that matter Object Studio, since this is a library that would work in both products. So if you have a regular expression manual or you already know them, you can then just map that over to the class structure that we've got here. So that's about all I wanted to do today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.